area ye mo bibia akwaba e de ba nyansapo kasa mfoni so e dia oba e dia so se ye sane no badwemba ene ye wokumase officers mess eye de nyame na obi bebusa se na ade na ekosu kumase a se bi ba bia ye bedabeda ni na ye yade ni na eye na fia pokuya owo ani ni wo abede wo akatachie ekwasi mpiasa nana odi arisie kwa kubofo ono asabi ekusabi adan na bere watia enene ye na bere mponye sabi efiti nra ene abo ho asikumadwa anope da no ma sabi kumaseman ne santeman Ghana man nyina ebebo odompem ehwe nani achi awia yi atwetwe wuro ne ani ntina ye ba be pie dwumade yase enye fadi agro ewo sabi eku officers mess eye dwabre mu ha nipa twetwe wuro ena eba sabi reverend obofo na bere watia yi enye reverend obofo nko nene na bere watia da fom nipa bebere o ma afia pokua ne ma enum e kan reverend obofo ho a wonyina ene wo su abere watia ye na bere mponye ene de beto fom biada ye mo obi asunsi nyansa po ye sane ne badwemba ye mo monitor adesi
let's go back you run baba be cancer one ya tell na honorable Jokas a photo tomorrow MP ye ma ye run me na akwapa ye ma ye run on government dedication ya me also honorable Julius Debra attention question so ya akwapa wa baba be cancer ya me also
na no madama ye mo bibia akwaba edeba reverend kokuantwie ejebofo na bere watie yi ase sebe obi a waba ha bi bia na oba ye yetimi ma wakwaba efi bo nsu pani penso obi ani wa hu na ye da enti ye gina ebusuan mu anamu kwesi dwasa na nanu efiri fenso e mo bibia akwaba nyame hyiam se enensu ma ba be kansa
want to know. What would I teach yourself? Can a senior prophet? James Kofi was so abandoned. Waba about the cancer. Yaba Nakaba. Joseph was saying today. Once so Joseph Mensa brother. Yamana Kopa. Joseph Mensa. And yet from today. Yamana Kopa. Appointment. East Legon, CEO, Tracy Boateng, Yamana Koba. Mami Tiwa, also about the cancer. Yasapo, Asma Foba, Tiwa Yaba, also about the cancer. Yamana Koba. And about the cancer. You must have
20
Akwaba. Yami Osho. Kwadasu Estate Kifin Club. Kwadasu Estate Kifin Club. Yabechia ya tielina. Aya Wahima Matilda. Yamu Akwaba. Na ya Koswa Yata. His Honor Dr. Kakua Tein. Sabra Sisafo. Ya Koswa Tanase. Mampontini Kobe this year. Yami Osho. Papa. Reverend Kokwe Tiete before so what was it. So now what did I buy here? Then Neso. What's up? I don't go work mister. Now, Yakoswaya Kamasa, the vibrant, the philanthropic, the industrious, the humble chief of staff, the humble chief of staff, the humble chief of staff. The what in my one Brazil, no one's not the wall. Some say that John Dramani Mahama. One the humble chief of staff, the finest. Come permit the second dance as well. There's a Katim Pabia Yakun also member of Futum Pakatatia and young Kwafra Paduma to Pitiania Sufrano. What do you pronounce? Wopema, chief of staff, Wopema. One day, a year honorable doctors, tomorrow MP. Any delegation, NDC delegation. Name also Sir, Chief of Staff, 1 year of Embassy, Name Osra, Honorable Chief of Debra, one-time local government minister, one-time Greater Accra minister, one-time Eastern Regional minister. Indeed, he has served his nation. A statesman, truly. Name Osra, Honorable Julius Debra, now on the youngest regional minister. The youngest regional minister, Honorable Dr. Frank Amwakwine, the hard-working chairman of all chairmen, Chairman Augustus Nanakwasi, Chairman Augustus Nanakwasi, former national chairman, political advisor to the Vice President of the Republic, Chairman Sami Foto, Chairman Sami Foto, Atim Begwa de Sikukura Dancer, come for nothing newly CEO, come for nothing newly CEO, ye Obe Bajuma, and Yama Santehine, and the Santemai, Deputy Muslim CEO, Deputy Muslim CEO, Omanina delegation, Asante region, MMDCs, DCs. Resurrection Power and Living Bread. And the Archbishop Salifu Amwako, Alive Chapel International, Councillor Lutrot, Yama Nakoba Yepa, Yami Ocean Yamia Sofway, Igwe, Yamokoba.
Robiana Naya Santua, what do you want to know? Najusumayama, Amantamia Sante, Wafa Young Company. What crop yo? This is mine and an African because I'm many important. You also said, I was in the Korea as a 12 one. What dance? Lord, the Paris have worked at already in a song. Wafa Fernand. Now, what the world?
Nana Kwaku Asuman, CEO of Asuman Motors, Kasua, Wane Prophet Elijah Poku, Eriasi Asum, Eriasi Mutsam, Insure FM, Wane Miamakena, Apie Kumi, Kasi Yamahine, Aya, also about the cancer, the quite the Sepulchro, Yamokopa, Yamiko, Napa Kwasuman, CEO of Asuman Motors, Kapapa Kasua, the hardworking and the youngest regional minister. minister, the hardworking and the youngest regional minister, Odiarisia Kwakubafor, Nenti, and the hardworking and the youngest minister of our time, Honorable Dr. Frank Abakwine.
Akwadu yi adom kuma ni otoso na santeni ne brempom brembren o wa hase santeni san se wonna o si ewura otumfo se etu na mekase nyampani o si na nan e wo se revenue obofo abiri wetia eye yase eti brebre de na akone du yi adom eko si bia saru na wo yekuna na na ebuska ya wom atwentwen kwatwa no asa ne akosa ofuntu mpa akatatie enya nko afre bodoma afre to apeti akrob ya santi kotokutre no na akona hene wonna adu dwebere mu a wo ba no ba chia edomu emamoni tia ade ni anom prempren santri bi afiti a yeba na yabetia enye obia se de domnim no oho ohene ye Queen Sierra eye Reverend Kwaku Antwieje bofo ono an ye dofo ne yiri bapa Queen Sierra ene woni na busua eduru dwebere mu a yeba amponsem na wani ska de acheso wo fira asante akrokyere wona ni na busua eduru dwebere mu a yeba na yabetia dom na sebi ye ne yekunu yade ni na odi awisi bofo yesu abomu ene awie e ma momani ti a ade na
Asafo Boys.
na no madama ye mo bibia akwaba e de ba Reverend Kwaku Antwiete ebofo na bere wetie yi ase sebe obi a waba ha bi bia na oba ye yetimi ma wakwaba efiri bonsu pani penso obi ani wa hu na ye da enti ye gina ebusuan mu na mu kwasi piasa na nanom efiri fenso e mo bibia akwaba nyame hyiam se eden so maba be kansa
APC ma yeso ni na inaso APC ma wai APC ma wai APC ma wai all the way from the Western Land, when you go from the Makapa. It's Emma, the destiny prophet, a young father king, the one and the only prophet of our time. When I'm doing first one by 50 million, that's a blue, that's a Agonia go from something, you know, after your app by your slow. Let the way now money, now want to be the one here. Agonia go from. I don't know not crying. Let's see what two crying. And I know Reverend Obofo, Munia, and John Ford. Some time want to go also. Or two was here to travel with you. Go be a Santa Cotocoine, as Santa Tinamina. Also, the Nana, Reverend Obofo, Amana Sute, stop and went here. Running to one team. Aba, Alopai, Obi Biara, we do vote in the sun. Nentuma, we say, I'm waiting,
wɔsi adura wia ɔbɔfo ne abusua kyerɛse yɛn mu sikasa ɔtumfoɔ de wɔn nsa asante amanyɛ nkoa na wɔyɛ ɔtumfoɔ se mpɛ bi ahasa ɔde ato yɛ abɔm adɔfo ne agya mfɔ wɔn nsa musuma no na bi gyina ha ɛsɛ de ɔtumfoɔ wɔn se ɛgya wɔn se.
Yona tia nananom abusua adaru mamufa so mfa me kakra Bijama na kwa biya ma taso mi ansa asante yema ni ntina bijira echa biya na rabe obofo woni ni nua no ma abre waso te so no na abre wati a wotuna no ahweban na ibabu na eso anopa amabra ni amabra sefata biya hey ma be ye jana de kwai wakasa anopa wabanti awia ye no musikasa wo tiada Wabafo wa wuni se a wona nade omonsa amamra ni amamra ko ano ye to so to ayu ampreja hanu ajamfo ni adofo wasrama da momonsa musoma no na se nyame ya adom na raben se kire wo ko aseda na juala wo bu akonta de si woni na na yi asibia bra man hia yifie na fa betu na ni na se kana sante mama ya ba ya de osie no da se bro na nanom Pemu, sali na nani momoka niye. Sali nani sata pabani ya sukasi wa pamna ne wana mta. Siya chema na abani. Wana diye njina hata panyine wanene mame. Wana mbaya nasi kwa kuba fua. Yura, wadru ya babachia. Samuri joma niyema ebe. Ayo watena o. Eja jeba fwane hile nimpo. Samuri niyema ena eba. Na hata pamaya ne. Asafuna Bukuta Unsem. APC Asafuna Eputa Wanumansem. 42,000 Ghana cedis. 420 million. Nigeria Jabo for revenue. Said you want to suffer. One more so my make one money across the water. Almost share with him. Sabi number share with him. And the power of us almost share with him. I do see a worker. 42,000 Ghana cedis. 420 million.
Preko enim sebe odwampopo bi esi kroni mu a wase wadore sra tanyini wantena fie ema aseduamfo
blani pie frimantam be hin se pin enye nkwande wa na yesotro no wa
ansa na odi asebe fita na no makode ebrensi am wa otua ne nsem mojabmo nim hu bi
duanani wie klaman wo ye sofo kra wonye yie bi
tontonte ye no nsane ye fa
nyansapo
aboa ntaka na mane yakese na ntakra aboa ne die fanyinam kwatere kwa
mada woro mountuma ye fe ni din de sei
ni din Obama
akola wa no so na se otimu usuma ense bratam
the family ne ho hia na America sa
sebe ka ya twere ni mu nyame nai ebu afa so enye de ya twere ni mu twa nyame